For today's workout guys, pahirapan natin yung lower body nyo. First workout natin is squat. So guys, sunod-sunod yung gagawin natin dito ha. Lower body exercises na tig 10 reps. So first workout na ginawa natin is basic full squat. So make sure hips are lower than your knees. Then after that, rest lang ng konti, squat jumps tayo. Actually wala pa lang rest yun, tuloy-tuloy. After natin mag-squats, diretso tayo sa squat jumps. So this will burn your leg muscles. Okay, pero hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dyan. After natin mag-squat jumps, diretso tayo sa side-to-side squats. Okay, so step side, then squat. So talagang mababurn yung lower body nyo sa workout routine na to guys. So isi-save nyo na lang, then sasabayan nyo. Okay, so pagka yung oras nyo is maiklian lang at wala kayong oras na mahaba, pwede nyo gawin to kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. Then ang ginagawa natin dito guys is split squats or lunge, up and down. Then after 10 reps, lipat tayo sa kabila, 10 reps din. So yan, masakit na talaga yan guys dapat. Or pwede kayong gumawa after this routine, rest kayo ng mga 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then gawa kayo ng 1 or 2 more sets pa. Then after natin ng split squats, last natin is pulse squats. Okay, so yun guys, thank you for watching, thank you for doing the workout, thank you for following, and thank you for saving it. See you again in the next video. Bye guys.